Tesla CEO Elon Musk is no stranger to innovation. From cars to rockets to tunnels, the prolific entrepreneur often redefines entire industries, sometimes beginning with a single joke or tweet. Now, he has dropped a new bomb on us, opening the door to a Tesla electric bicycle. In 2018, Musk sat down with Kara Swisher for an interview on Recode Decode. The far-ranging interview spanned topics from the Tesla CEO's copious Twitter use to the toxic US political climate and the Tesla pickup truck. But near the end of the interview, Musk dropped a whole new kind of bomb. After talking about how undignified electric scooters, such as those used by Bird and Lime, are, ruling out that Tesla would ever build one, he set his sights on a different two-wheeled EV, electric bicycles. However, several years have passed and there were little hints as to Elon's plan for the electric bike. However, recently the internet buzzed with talk of a new Tesla e-bike concept, a futuristic silhouette packed with electronic steering, autopilot technology, and a new approach to suspension. Tesla recently unveiled its Model B concept, the first electric bike of its kind for the brand. Welcome to Tech Archives. Today, we'll uncover Tesla's secret e-bike project. Model B was developed in partnership with industrial designer Kendall Torner. The electrical bike features a sleek frame design, fold-out footrests, and handlebars. Each wheel is equipped with its own dedicated motor, forming the first ever dual drive system for an e-bike. And the spokes of the wheels are replaced with shock absorbers to ensure the smoothest ride. The handlebars do not independently rotate like normal bikes. For Tesla's e-bike design, the rider simply applies force to one side of the bike to make it turn in the respective direction. There is also an integrated dashboard which allows the riders to see route metrics alongside navigation maps, which makes commuting much more convenient. In terms of safety, the Model B is fitted with forward, side-facing, and rear proximity LiDAR sensors that scan the surrounding and create a quote protective bubble around the rider, alerting the individual of any obstacles. It also comes with its own autopilot that lets the built-in AI system take over and safely maneuver the bike using multiple sensors integrated into the frame. Could Tesla spawn US electric bicycle manufacturing? Despite taking a hard hit after the Trump administration imposed 25% tariffs on imported Chinese e-bikes, the US electric bicycle market has been growing impressively year after year. Electric bicycles are becoming an increasingly popular form of both recreation and everyday commuting in the US. However, there is almost zero domestic US electric bicycle manufacturing. Even after the Trump administration's import tariffs have increased the price of electric bicycles, most US e-bike companies have confirmed that they have no plans for moving production to the US. The cost to develop the necessary tooling, supply chain, and skilled labor force would be so high that no current US e-bike company could cover it. But Tesla could, leveraging their existing design and manufacturing capabilities to produce a Tesla electric bicycle would be relatively easy for the company, and doing so could create a monumental shift in the electric bicycle industry unlike anything before. The electric bicycle industry has come a long way in the past decade. Early designs were largely standard bicycles with bolted-on motors and batteries. Newer designs have become sleeker as parts, cables, and electronics have been further integrated into the vehicles. However, there hasn't been a huge amount of major technological improvements in e-bikes over the past few years. On the battery front, many packs look sleeker but still use the same old 18650 battery cells that have been on the market for 2 or 3 years. E-bike batteries haven't gotten much lighter or longer lasting. E-bike hub motors haven't seen drastic changes in nearly a decade. Incremental improvements have made stronger gears and slight efficiency bumps, but nothing major. Mid-drive motors were a big innovation 3 or 4 years ago, but have since largely seen smaller updates, making them functionally lighter or adding slightly more torque. Nice improvements, though nothing major. But Tesla could take changes to the extreme, leveraging their motor and battery know-how to create a paradigm shift in the industry. Batteries could become more energy dense and last for a decade instead of just 2 or 3 years. Motors could be half the size or twice the power while becoming quieter and perhaps invisibly hidden in the frame. The Tesla electric bicycle could include huge weight savings or be easily foldable to fit in a trunk. E-bike range could skyrocket with larger efficiency improvements and better regenerative braking. The Tesla electric bicycle could potentially be theft-proof, or at least theft-resistant, with integrated GPS tracking. The user interface could become a central design focus and not an afterthought. Perhaps charging could be incorporated into public stations or even Tesla superchargers. Is a Tesla electric bicycle a close reality? Elon Musk has made much more outlandish statements that turned into reality. So with him, nearly everything is possible. Despite Musk previously stating that he would never build a Tesla electric motorcycle, he sounds much more optimistic about a Tesla electric bicycle. Of course, we won't know for sure until he decides to expand on his interest in e-bikes. But from the sound of his Recode Decode interview, it sure seems like he has already given thought to the Tesla electric bicycles. So you might be pedaling a Tesla sooner than you would have imagined. What do you think? Should Tesla build an electric bicycle? Let us know in the comments below.